Alright everybody, as you've seen probably in the thumbnail, I am freeze drying keto food. So I try to do keto as much as possible, and the one thing I crave is not necessarily a flavor or a certain kind of food. I crave crunchiness, like potato chips, which you can't have in keto. You can have pork rinds, but I get tired of pork rinds. So what I've decided to do is, me and my wife made we had keto pancakes. They're kind of like cornbread, so we made those. Then we made chaffles, which is it's a waffle made out of cheese. And then we made, well, she made it. It's called fathead pizza dough, and I cut them into little, mostly diamond shapes. So I'm trying to make a cracker out of them. So yeah, I'm just going to give them a try. They have a lot of fat in them, so I don't know how well they'll go. Not a whole lot of moisture. Mostly the moisture is eggs in every single one of them, except the pancakes. They have like water and milk in them. So we're going to give that a try and just see how it goes. I will take the recipes and leave them in the description. So I'll have to remember to put these down. They're super complicated. Not really. Most of them are like 4 ingredients. You obviously need a waffle iron for your chaffles. And we will freeze dry them and go from there. So let's see. We got, like I said, pancakes. They're kind of like cornmeal patties cakes. And then I got the chaffles, and I made that with hot pepper cheese. And then the fathead pizza dough, which I cut into these fancy little diamonds and try to turn them into crackers. So we'll get these in, and I will bring you back when they are done. Stay with me. Alright everybody, the keto snacks are done. Roughly 13 and a half hours, less than 14. So yeah, I got up this morning because I put them in yesterday, which would all be the same video for you, and I noticed my freeze dryer wasn't running. I was like, there's no way, and it was. So as you look over here, I'll just bring it to you, it's a lot easier. When I opened up the freeze dryer, I just stuck my finger right there and it popped, so it was like, boom, see? So it didn't really make the poop noise, that was me. This is the fathead pizza and the chaffles. So definitely going to be a crunch factor. I'm not going to put these in long-term storage because of the fact that I want crunch factor. So you can make a lot more of them, obviously. So let's give something a try. Obviously that needs salt. Kind of like a yeah, what is it called? Cheez-It. Those are crumbly. Okay, so after taste testing all of them, ooh, there's a little bit of spice in those because I use that hot pepper cheese. The fathead pizza has the texture of like a Cheez-It. So if you if you use maybe a sharper cheddar cheese when making it, because you can use any shredded cheese you want, you probably get a Cheez-It almost out of it. The chaffles, that was probably the hardest thing out of the entire batch. And then the pancakes, they crumbled, but I did this so I could have a keto friendly low carb snack and get the crunch, because most things you buy in the store to have crunch aren't keto friendly. So alright everybody, there you go. Leave me questions, comments below. Definitely try this. I will get the recipe. It will be in the description for each one of these. So keto pancakes, keto chaffles and the fathead pizza dough turned into crackers. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I will catch you next time.